schedule oina ahan bada thamjarabada preparation training and printing masigi thabak se khoi me gi tarik kundagi horaga ngasi phawba khoi sathari hayeng dagi me gi tarik kunthra hayeng dagi khoi house to house visit by BLOs khoi houragani masi next month ki haibadi June gi tarik kungani pan phawba chathagani roughly around 1 month ko thama muk BLO sing house to house visit chatkani masiga loinana ko gi polling station Imphal West leiriba polling station khudingmak se khoi rationalization tawba darkar taba polling station makhai khoi yengsilakani madu masigi thabak si June gi tarik kungani pan phawba khoi complete tawgadabani aduga July gi tarik manga da publication of draft electoral roll se khoi July gi tarik manga da phongjagani draft phongraba matungda July gi tarik manga da gina August ki tarik mari phawba period for filing claims and objection thangat pi ba yai aduga masigi period sisu notice phase haibadi disposal of claims and objection gi part manung da tagani koi disposal tawbagi period si July gi tarik manga dagina September gi tarik ani phawba maina thami aduga final publication of electoral roll si September gi tarik tarukta phongani Manipur gi special intensive revision packet kadawri basi qualifying date si July gi tarik 1 have the 1st July 2026 as the qualifying date ni Imphal West district ki oina yengbada hanaki S.I.R exercise na 3,90,196 electors cover tawgani masida 1,85,005 male electors lay 2,05,093 female electors aduga third gender da 98 amasu yauri eko Imphal West ki oina district election officer gi makhada 13 electoral registration officers lay ngasi su electoral registration officer khudingmak present oire aduga mogi makhada assistant electoral registration officers AEROs tarahundo emaga 13 amaga su leijai in total 530 booth level officers koi ground da thabak torakani BLO sing sina extensive house to house chalakpa matamda moida pre-fill oiba koi pre-fill oiba enumeration form ama sumaina enumeration form ama masi every elector gi copy ani pair harga koi yenthokani to each and every elector da masigi se koina isa na elector singna download tawjaba yai voters.eci.gov.in dagi masa na su download tawjaba yai ado kana gumbana online facility gi kudong chaba simak adum lauraga online da adumak yengjaraga submit tawjage haraga su details singsi online da dumak thajin jaba su dum yai BLO na house to house le haraga yenthoiba pre-fill electoral form si pithoraga magi atopa ngasai na panjagiba step sing du lakani main objective si S.I.R si masigi main objective si eligible electors si akoina left out ohendaba aduga ineligible persons na electoral roll da yaudana ba hotnabagi exercise tuni mamangda Manipur gi oina 2004 da exercise tawre haraga 1st January 2005 dai koi mamangi S.I.R Manipur gi oina 2005 ta dugumba special intensive revision ama sathagi maduda yauba electors makhaisi madugi particular role do koina probative evidence lay haina haibdi maduda yauba makhaisi magi eligibility criteria and then citizenship ki angle lomda evidence probative evidence pire haina maina lobagi angle amasu lay key features singji BLO sing at least 3 times makhoi enumeration form ji lokhatnaba chatkani at least lokhatpada yenthokpagi du tharoi ko adana form lokhatpa chatpada at least collection tawbada 3 times chatkani aduga electors enumeration form peshalakpa electors makhaisi draft electoral roll da yaugani enumeration form pisilakta ba adugumba electors makai du draft form ba da yauro aduga enumeration form sida recent have the current photo napagi madugi passport photo napagi provision am yauri maduna every elector na isa isa gi recent passport photos isu namthok pire haraga handy oina thambiu haibasisu haijage aduga enumeration phase sida ngasai gi BLO na pre-fill oiraba enumeration form ji yenthora masi lokhalakpagi matamda documents pishin bagi han bagi rounds to pishin bagi mathau tade hayeng ERO singna one by one form singji yengpa matamda magi hearings and other scrutiny satharakpa matamda required documents sing pishille haraga madugi check amasung scrutiny gi exercise tugi matamduda document pishin bagi portama lakani karam ba documents sing pishin ba yai haibadu in total ECI na form ba 13 documents sing website su yaurga leire madugi 13 documents sing si press ki kuthang da su masi widely published to binaba ai haijage koi horen press briefing loirapu matam da su madugi copy am su pizage electors amagi mingsi without opportunity of being heard mangon the opportunity of being heard si pidana koina madumak hek takthat pa yade aduna proper scrutiny am sathau haibagi angle duni hayeng final electoral roll phongaba matung dasu kana gumbana maduda thangatning ba points sing leiba taragadi appeal to biba yai at two levels to the district magistrate at first and then to the chief electoral officer of Manipur da koi madumakta dum appeal se amuka second level da amuka thanga pe haidi two levels of appeal even final form ba loi pau adagi asigi S.I.R gi activity gi part amoina koina district election officer gi office sina haiba tare koi recognized political parties sing koi meeting chathagre even ERO gi level da pau ba koi masa masa gi level da ERO gi level da electoral registration officer gi level da su meeting chathagre masigi S.I.R gi matangda brief tawnana ba aduga not just booth level officers political parties singi side gi booth level agents khanbinana ba amasung booth level agents singi moigi thawdang yamna chauna yauri habesimai thamjage training programs orientation workshop BLO supervisors koigi ERO sing and then booth level agents sing moigi roles and responsibilities with respect to S.I.R process ki matang da koi program paikhat pa training program na sin ba orientation workshop na sing ba paikhat pa lojekre help desk sama public ki convenience ki damakta koi DC office ki ground floor da reception counter number 3 da koi help desk sama hanga ka thame masina facilitate to bidoi si searching previous S.I.R records ade kamaina koi gi enumeration form sida mengani khotkani hedna doubt leibasing khoi sida so dumak mateng pangjagani BLO ERO moigi level da chathabadugi mathakta accessing online and offline services pinanaba masigi help desk sida koi provision thammi ahen ba information khangninga gadi elector amana ECI gi helpline number 1950 da dial to biba yai ECI net mobile application changa check to biba yai booking calls with BLO singa koi calls lawre heraga wari watai sana biba yai rationalization gi angle da polling station ji criteria gi matung inna electors listing amaga chani dagi henba yade aduna adumaina helak kadawraba amadi helaaba polling station singji hanaki rationalization gi round sida cover tawna ba koi kona gani aduga koi internally displaced person singisu ECI ga consult tawraga CO office ka tanare haraga masigisu separate provisions and directions lakani haina tumaina thambire all required assistance came amasung came ki mapanda leiriba IDP singda district election office tagi madumak darkar taba assistance pizagani draft phongaba matungda akogi draft electoral rolls ji phongraba matungda claims and objections thangat pi ba yai masigi claims and objections inclusion gi oi ba yai deletion gi oi ba yai correction gi oi ba yai through respective forms form 6 7 and 8 along with declaration form wherever needed ko aduga ERO singna masigi form singsi amsung claim singsi proper scrutiny chathagani through conduct of hearings masini brief oina S.I.R gi portion ji aduga public na enumeration form ji phangpa matamda ahanba portion da elector sigi magi ming epic number address karamba serial number da yawi karamba part number no karamba AC no kari state kino haibasi QR code amaga loina na photo yawarga sumaina enumeration form ji koi yenthora ko copy ani yenthora masigi hek upper portion sigi next ta box ani yauri box ani sida left side na individual duna karigumba magi last manipur gi S.I.R phongi bada 2005 ki S.I.R da min yaw taragadi madugi details tu BLO dagi or any ngasai thamjaki ba adugumba means to dagi koi lokhat pire hairaga masigi details sing haibadi electors ki maming epic number relatives ki maming relationship district state AC name part number serial number AC number sigi mayamji menkhat piraga madumak BLO da khusina biba yare karigumba elector sina last S.I.R tawgibagi 2005 ki role sida yaudaba taragadi right side ta lairiba box sida 2005 ta yaugiba adugumba magi family gi relative haibadi masijo koin yengkadoisi parents and grandparents relatives haidana uncle aunties and other cousins side ta yengo haibanate parents grandparents sigi line sida yengaga kanagino for example say AZ last S.I.R da yaugide last S.I.R phone with 2005 ta adumaina yaugide bataragadi aigi parents ki yaubra parents ki yaub bataragadi parents to ki lineage da in case again parents are on the taragadi grandparents peculiar cases adumak thoglakani peculiar cases tholakpa example say last S.I.R phone dringai mamangda kanagumbagi parents like tibadagi animak laigidaba even ngasi su grandparents su laigitraba atugumba cases yauro han ngai leite but madusu akoina ERO gi through dagi scrutiny fazana tawre heraga kari position da lakhibano kamaina yaugidabano haibagi angle duma ko examine tarokani aduna AMC 2005 ki S.I.R the form giba list to the base tawre heraga link up ama sagalakna bagi angle duni right side ki column sida yauri sina and adugi makhada masagi oiba other details haibadi date of birth Aadhaar number optional Aadhaar number Aadhaar sing asaigi document tarahumdoi ECI na yabadugi manungduda yaute Aadhaar si supporting document oina pirangai gi point yaude Aadhaar is just for identity purpose mani have to taangai gini masina date of birth tak pangamde address tak tahalangai gi means leite ko adana Aadhaar si it is citizenship proof taunangai gi keno na temisi and ECI na su Aadhaar is not part of that 13 documents siman not toxin minasi masida Aadhaar number si optional oina happy mobile number father's or guardian's name the epic number mother's name mother's ki epic number spouse ki ming if applicable spouse ki epic number if available ko sumaina masigi details singsi menkhale hairaga elector singna mention biraga masida signature or left thumb impression pibiraga koi BLO da submit tawbigani BLO na mong masi khongalakadoini adana BLO na masi khongalakpa matamda ngasai ahanbada aina haijagiba enumeration form ani pirangani haibanina electors na pahaugadoriba copy duda acknowledgement ama oina form je ilakhatre haibagi sign ama tawrangani BLO sina aduga koi enumeration form yenthokpa chatpa matamdasu household amagi even mi leiramdre mapanda chathokiba khotkiba yauramba taragasu yumgi thongi makhada form ji insellaga thambiramu haibagi provision phawba yauri ana khongalakpa matamda BLO singna amadi BLA na su khongalaga BLO da pisin bibi yai adumaina khongalak pam matamda sitha nanda danabagi angle du mada koina su yamna strictly BLO sing da su advice tawraga leijare public na difficulty leitanaba hayeng BLO sing da khoi gi ERO sing amadi AERO sing gi kuthang da instruction amo ina prominent places da haibadi BLO amana cover tawrakadoisi say average the 800 to 1000 electors cover tawrakadoini aduna lekai dugi polling station duna konba adugumba prominent place amada community hall amo oiba yai club amo oiba yai polling station duma oiba yai appropriate place amada masigi 2005 ki koigi S.I.R gi list si thetuoga thambinaba maduma so koi direction pijari masi koi ERO sing AERO sing na comply tornaba kupni yengsin minasi so that kanagumba individual amana elector amana mana BLO du phone mak tawdraga su isai sana su chatlaga adumaina yengba yanabagi provision su thamjagani aduga darkar taba volunteers and then other help and assistance ERO gi kuthang da AERO gi kuthang da tawba yaba darkar taba khuding muktu se koi extend tawjagani aduga sathariba S.I.R sina koina manipura pamliba clean noiba electoral roll ama semgat nangai honabada masisu masi khaktani haibanate masisu step amani haibasi mayamna lokshin minnaraga S.I.R gi paikhalakadoriba thabak thoram sing sida cooperation PBU aduga clean noiba proper oiba electoral roll ama semgalak pangamna ba koi khudingmak hotnaminasi haibasi district election officer ki office ki side tagi thamjagi thank you